put it on him last night. He calling me back to back. Hey, bitch, this a new outfit. Turn to the back for a pic. Cognac queen, I'm lit. Woo.
Hey YouTube, it's your girl Aaija. I just recorded this bomb hopping orange makeup look. I'm gonna show you guys how I got this look. I don't even know what to call this, like a going out, I don't know. I actually updated a lot of my makeup products. Please help me get to 5,000 subscribers because I'm really about to be posting a lot more often, so be ready for that. And yeah, if you want to see how I got this bomb look, keep watching. So my eyebrows are already done. The first thing that I'm going to do is I'm going to use my Smashbox Photo Finish Super Light Smooth and Blur. Okay, now that my foundation is put on, I literally just bought this new powder bronzer from Anastasia Beverly Hills. It is in the color mahogany something, I don't know. I decided to, you know, switch up my game a little bit because I feel like the contour stuff I was using was good, but I've always wanted a powder bronzer type, so we're about to see what this thing is hitting on. I just bought this today. I haven't used it, so I'm super excited. My first impression is it is very, very light. One thing I can say, as dark as it's showing up right here, it's very light on my face. I guess that's good because it's one of those products that you have to build up, which is good for beginners, you know what I mean? Because, you know, some products you put on and it's like hella super dark, like this is like very subtle. Really nice. I like it, honestly. I feel like now I don't have to blend. I don't have to necessarily blend it with blush, even though I probably still. Okay, so now I'm about to conceal my face. I literally just bought this Fenty Beauty, the new Fenty Beauty concealer, and my ass got the wrong color, but I'm still about to make this work. I'm still about to, you know, make the best out of it. I'm going to highlight. It is a lot better than the other one, her other concealer, because I have her other concealer and that one is just like really dry and just like not a mess, but just like really dry. But this one is like the complete opposite, and I really love it. So I'm about to take my beauty blender and I'm gonna blend this out. Literally right after I set it, I'm going to take my Laura Mercier translucent setting powder and I'm going to set under my eye. Powder everywhere I want it to be. I'm going to go back with my bronzing powder and I'm going to contour more. Now I'm about to take this MAC brush and I'm going to just wipe away where I put my setting powder. So So this is an extra part that I'm about to do right now. This Sephora powder foundation, and I'm actually gonna use it to go over my under eye and see what type of look we get. So now I'm about to work on my eyes. I'm about to use this BH Cosmetics palette, and I'm gonna just go into my crease with this orange right here. And I'm gonna put this on my crease. So now I'm about to go in with the brown color to the left of that orange color, and I'm gonna just go more into my crease. Now I'm about to use this NYX lip liner in the color Mahogany, and I'm going to use this to line my lips. Now I'm about to go in with this Fenty Beauty lip gloss that I just got. It's in the color Fussy. I don't know if this is new, but I just got it. It's kind of similar to the other one, but I just thought this one was cute. This is what the gloss looks like. It's like a bomb popping pink gloss. I really like it. So I just went off camera and I fixed my hair and stuff, you know. Thank you so much for watching my tutorial. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up. I will be posting a lot more frequently. So, you know, subscribe to me, comment below, let me know what type of videos you guys want to see. And yeah, thanks for watching.
Down on my back, I put it on him last night. He calling me back to back.